Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to be replacing this broken deadbolt with a Defiant Electronic Deadbolt. Alright, let's see what's in the box here. Instructions. Alright, so we got templates if we had to drill holes. Latch, some hardware, keys. Mounting plate. All right. So to start off, we're gonna get the old one off, and that's just with a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so we're ready to start putting in our deadbolt, but we need to know whether we have the 2 3/4 or 2 3/8 spacing. So we're going to use our template, put our edge up on the edge of the door here, and our shadow coming through is 2 3/4, so we have to change this to the 2 3/4 setting. So to do that, we just spin it up. Pull it back, spin it down. Now we have a 2 3/4. So now to install this, there's an arrow on the back. This side says up, so that goes like so. Alright, we're ready to install the number plate on the outside here. So the wire goes underneath and you just line up the tab coming through there. And then our mounting plate here on the inside, that wire goes through there. Alright, it's still kind of loose, so you just want to line everything up now. Outside the door looks good. Yeah, it looks good there. And then we'll just snug everything down. Alright, it's good. Alright, now we're ready to mount this plate, so we have to take off the cover panel. Well, we gotta plug this in first. Alright, so we got that plugged in. Now we have to line up this on there. Alright, now we can take our 3 small screws. Alright, we have to set the lock orientation. So we're gonna take our pin here with 3 batteries in. We're gonna hit the reset button and then put our last battery in, wait 3 seconds. And the lock learned the reset. Alright, so physical installation is done. We have our lock on the inside and our lock on the outside. Now we can program. Alright, now for the fun of programming this, which seems to get a lot of bad reviews, but we're just going to follow the instructions here and see where that goes. So to start with, it's lock, the stock code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lock, wait for the green, then 1, wait for the green, enter the new code. We're going to go with 8675309, lock, 8675309, lock. And let's try it out. Let's lock the door. Type it in, 8675309. Hey, it works. See how many people got the Jenny reference? Anyways, that's about it, and thanks for watching.